Good morning, everybody. Brian here from Sears Imported Autos, and today we've got a fun one for you. We're going to chat about the 2020 GT63 four-door coupe from AMG. And here it is. So if you are shopping the Audi RS7, the Porsche Panamera Turbo, I highly recommend adding this to your short list. I've got 630 reasons why you should stop by and see this car. That number is going to be the amount of horsepower the 4-liter bi-turbo V8 is going to make. Also, 664 pound-feet of torque. That is a lot of power for a road car. That's all going to funnel through AMG's 9-speed transmission and then down to the 4MATIC Plus system, which is some of the most cutting-edge all-wheel drive technology on the market. There's even a drift mode if you're looking to send all the power rearward. Pretty slick. So up front, we have the big Pan America grille. Lends a lot of aggression to the front end of the car, and you can also see the radar unit for the Distronic cruise control as part of the driver's assistance package. Pretty nice active safety features are going to come with that. Makes you feel pretty safe. So as you see the silhouette, the car is incredibly striking. These four-door coupes are definitely all about the looks, but this one is going to have the performance to match. So have a look inside. You can see our red pepper Napa and black seats here. They also have the Dinamica inserts, which is a nice grippy sort of fabric. Helps keep you in place with that spirited driving. Nice red leather in the center console. And then too, we have our glossy carbon fiber trim. Fantastic interior, and I really like the color scheme. Has a lot of pop. Now the beauty of the four-door coupe is you'll be able to bring friends and family along for the very exciting ride that this car is going to have. This car features the rear executive seating package. It's going to offer heated and cooled cup holders, a wireless charge pad. There's also going to be climate control too for the rear seats, adding a lot of comfort and usability. Now, if you are bringing your friends and family with, it's going to be nice to have a place for their stuff. And this is one of the nice little tricks of the GT four-door coupe. Ample trunk space. I mean, depending on if you're going on a long road trip, maybe shopping for the weekend, you're going to have plenty of space to take all of your stuff with. Seats will also fold down as well, adding a lot more functionality. Power on the tailgate as well. Now moving down, you see these very slim profile LED lights. They're going to have a real striking appearance at night, very, very sharp and crisp. And then too, the large exhaust finishers, classic AMG design cue. The wheels fitted to this GT63S four-door coupe are 21 inches. They are finished here in the matte black. There's also an aluminum finish if you prefer, and then behind that, peeking through the spokes, is our high-performance braking system. So next, why don't we take a seat, talk some tech. Again, my name is Brian with Sears Imported Autos. If you've got questions, if you're looking for some more information, feel free to call, email the store, whatever we need to do to get in contact with you, that is what we will do. So first things first, we have a very large center command screen, over 12 inches. It'll show your navigation. You can bring up the car menu, climate control. Everything is going to be big, bright, legible, easy to read. It just makes it a lot more fun to use. Moving down the center stack, you can see all of the ventilation. These are great looking little vents. They move around so you can place the air where you like it. And then just below that is going to be the climate control. You have dual zone for the front. You can choose your different temperatures, zones. Everything is very, very slick and keeping everybody comfortable. Carbon fiber trim again, and this center stack is what's going to sort of set it apart. This is very similar to the layout of the GT Coupe. And then you have all of these digital buttons down here for any of the accessories to the vehicle, the gear shift, and also our touchpad that will work with the command screen. You can use this to swipe left and right to change radio stations, move the cursor around on the navigation map, but everything is right here close to your fingers, nice and easy to use. Now, this particular GT4 has the carbon fiber trimmed wheel. This wheel is incredible. I mean, it feels like something pulled right out of a race car. We have all of our auxiliary controls up front, so you have volume for the radio, cruise control settings over here, and then we have these new controls below here that have these little screens in them that are really cool. This is going to be for your dynamic select, so you'll be able to go through all of the modes of the vehicle, and over here you'll be able to adjust the suspension and traction control settings as well. Behind the Dinamica grips, we have very, very large shift paddles to use when you're taking control over the 9-speed transmission, and then a gorgeous digital display here with a bunch of different menus, displays, pretty much any information that you're looking for will be right in your line of sight. That's going to wrap up our quick walk around of the 2020 AMG GT 4-door coupe. Now again, this is the 63S trim. That's going to give you the most power. It's also going to come with like the active rear steering and a whole lot of other stuff. So you're going to have questions. You're going to want to talk about this car more. Give us a call. Let us know what we can do for you. Whether you're local, one of the coastal cities down south, that doesn't matter to us. We want to work with you. If there's anything we can do, give us a call, folks. Have a great day.